Today, I will discuss the introduction of multimedia. Multimedia combines different forms of context including text, graphics, audios, video, and animation. Multimedia relies on ICT to be presented, stored, transmitted with their combined use enhancing learning, entertainment, business, and other fields by providing rich, engaging digital experiences.
Information and Communication Technology (ICT) encompasses a broad range of technologies and services that enable communication and information processing.
Hello po, what is your name?
Lyrics po. Nas po.
For you po, what is multimedia and ICT?
Para sa akin po, yung ICT is more on software at hardware. While yung multimedia naman is more on software kasi yung different type of content na is graphics, video, text, and all that.
Thank you po. Po, what is your name po?
Mark Daniel.
Section po.
Class 9, IA.
For you po, what is ICT?
Ito tumutukoy sa mga teknolohiya gaya ng cellphone, computer, at iba pang mga digital. Ayun lang.
Thank you po.